and create our own memories to it. And what happens is that it's like and there is a process. If you see the human brain at every stage of life, its receptive power is different. Okay, so I'll tell you something which is linked to time is that when a human grows, okay, from childhood, adolescence, and then he really does engineering, then he moves on corporate, gets married, have kids, and then he grows old. The best part of life where he has lot of data which comes to him is at a very younger age, right? Probably before 25, before 30, or before 40, before 35. Having said that, I am not saying that learning stops. Learning happens, but the number of situations or number of scenarios in which you learn gets reduced. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు రోజు ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్తాను, I will not get a greater chance to learn probably every day in full. So maybe whenever I work with my colleagues, I work on different problem solving thing or decision making, I learn. But students and youngsters they meet different people. So when they meet different people, when they start analyzing the situation, there are a lot of outcomes which come, okay, and these outcomes will help them in learning and analyzing, and then again making sure that you make the best process out of it. సో ఏంటంటే ఈ ప్రాసెస్లో వెన్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఏ లర్నింగ్ ఏజ్ టైమ్, అప్పుడు లర్న్ చేయకుండా యూ వాంట్ టు లర్న్ ఎట్ ఎ లేటర్ ఏజ్ అంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే యువర్ రిసెప్టివ్ పవర్ విల్ బి లెస్ అండ్ 2x or 3x time it may take. Okay, I don't know the exact calculation because I am not a doctor, but by my experience ఏంటంటే as you move forward in life, your ability to learn will slow down. I am not saying it will become zero. So ఏంటంటే టైం అన్నది it is very important in life, and we should respect it first. We cannot abuse our time. And next thing ఏంటంటే this is on the aspect of learning. And next thing, one of the thing which also is a great quality of a leader or great quality of a human leader is a second step. He is human, is respecting others' time. So what essentially happens is that lot of times manamu we say that ee time ko vastanu, we will go late or things like that. Yeah, there is a